Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Rico Show. Yes, welcome back. We're taking you to Thailand, one of my favorite dishes that we're going to cook, and my favorite dish, your favorite dish after you eat it, is pad thai. Chicken pad thai, everybody. You know what? We're not going to add shrimp, and you know what else we're not going to add today is peanut butter. Because my people that's actually allergic just to peanut butter, this is for you. Let's get it on. Let's get down with the ingredients because pad thai will not wait for nobody else except us cooks. All right, because we got to cook it. Of course, remember, there is no peanut butter in this ingredient because of people that's allergic. Let's just do something different, right? Add shrimp if you want to your ingredients. Make sure you cook it on the side, then add it at the end. Toss it all into the sauce. All right, let's get it on, everybody. Of course, I have 1.5 pounds of chicken breast that we're gonna actually cut up and then we're gonna pound, right? But we're gonna season this. I got some adobo, everybody. So I'm gonna be seasoning that with adobo. I do have, for the sauce itself, I got a couple of limes here, but I'm gonna use one lime as far as the juice from that one lime. I do have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I do have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, premium fish sauce itself. I have 1/4 cup of ketchup. Yes, got 2 eggs that I scramble up, and you already know if you eat pad thai, we're gonna put that scrambled egg and make sure it's nice and hard. Then I have a cup of bean sprouts. Yes, bean sprouts. We're gonna cut up some onions, cebolla. Yeah, we're gonna cut this in half, and then we're just gonna actually, cut it up into nice little strips there. Of course, we're gonna add some garnishing. I would say garnishing as far as while we're cooking this, green onions. Then we have, oh yes, you know what's gonna be part of the sauce as well too, is minced garlic. Last but not least, we have cilantro. Yes, we got some cilantro that we're gonna actually just chop up. Boom! All right, let's get it on. Rice stick noodles. Yes, we're gonna soak that in cold water for 20 minutes until what we call is al dente, right? That means that it's not going to be too loose of a noodle, no pun intended, right? And then we actually just have it just nice because remember, we're gonna cook this at the end. It's gonna heat up and then the noodle's gonna be nice and soft for you to be able to eat. Let's go. We're gonna include the green onions within when we're actually tossing everything. So that's gonna be kind of the last ingredient to put within pad thai. But cilantro, we're gonna actually use that to garnish at the end, make it nice and pretty. So let's cut up the chicken. And cut these up into bite size, right? You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to pound these into strips. It's time to season the chicken. My adobo, I'm gonna season on both sides. So I got my strips, got them seasoning. So now let's cut these into strips. All right, now it's time to cook. So now it's time to put in our chicken. Now I actually put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, right? You can also use extra virgin olive oil if you want to, but I'm just using regular olive oil. So let's get to cooking, everybody. Let's go. And we're gonna have this for at least, I would say, maybe 6 minutes total. But you would know as far as when the chicken is actually cooked, when it's no longer pink. So make sure you use either a nice little spoon if you want to keep it going. That's stir fry. Of course, I'm using a wok, a cast iron wok, which is also keeps the seasoning and everything going. Okay, let's get to the next part. Let's cut up some onions. All right, let's cut this onion up. We'll do half of the ring itself, just half of the onion, garlic thyme. All right, minced garlic completed. Now let's put our chicken to the side. Smells good. Add more olive oil to it. So let's do the sauce. Got the sugar, fish, sauce, soy sauce. Let's throw in that ketchup. And we're gonna squeeze a whole lime. Now you can add a teaspoon of peanut butter if you want to, but that's only up to you. But for today, I'm not going to do that. Well, for this episode, I'm not going to do that. So, and then we have our garlic, minced garlic. Let's mix this together. Put these off to the side here. Really good. Sauce smells really good. All right, it's time to cook the egg. Let's go. Egg time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to let this, when you heat this up, you wanna make sure that the egg is going to get pretty hard, okay? I'm gonna let it form and then we're gonna break that up. I have a spatula that I'm gonna actually break that up with. So we're gonna let that get solid. I added a little bit of olive oil on there, but it's almost like you're making an omelet, but you're not. There we go. So now we're going to start breaking that up. Nice. So now we're gonna add in our onions. I'll push this off to the side. Add in some more, a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add in our onions and our sprouts. To the side. Then we're gonna mix this all together. I'm gonna add our noodles, get our noodles ready. While that's going, I'm gonna also chop up some green onions. Now let's mix this all together. All right, now it's time to add in our noodles, our chicken, and the sauce. Wow, smells delicious. Wow. I'm gonna add in our green onions. Wow, this is good. And the rest of mine. Yes. Boy, this is good. Pad Thai. Ooh, my favorite. And we're gonna top this off with cilantro on top. That's it. Let's plate. Ooh-wee! I am super ready to eat this. Boom. Some chicken on here. This is good. It's time. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Hope you guys are ready for this. I am. Let's go. Chicken's good. Wow. Woo! So good. This is good. It tastes really good without the peanut butter in the sauce. So really, I mean, it's really good. I mean, you will definitely taste the difference if you're a peanut butter lover. But this is good. You can also chop up some peanuts, go on the side of it as well too. So just make sure you add shrimp to yours. This one I didn't add shrimp because I want to make sure that, you know, people that may be allergic to peanuts as well as shrimp, let's do it. Take one more bite. Yeah, this is good. All right, I'm gonna take one more bite. I hope you're eating with me. Feels good for bloopers.
How does the ketchup mix with the sauce? Do you notice like an overpowered ketchup flavor?
No. So the ketchup itself, it's all blended in. You can definitely taste the lime juice, the fish sauce. It all gives you that unique pad thai flavor. So it's all together. It's not over drowning as far as the ketchup itself. So this is good. And the chicken comes out really, really good as well with the sauce. All right, I'm gonna do this again. Woohoo! Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Cooking with Rico Show. YouTube. It's your first time? Subscribe. Pad Thai, Thailand. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Later.